E-government. Presido Buhari don set up task force wey go improve Naija rank on top ease to do business. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don on Friday, June 10th for State House Abuja launch 27-man committee presidential council for digital economy and e-government. E come promise say im and me go continue dey take upper hand for digital technologies to transform all the sectors for the economy. Presido Buhari will direct the Minister for Communications and Digital Economy, Professor Isa Ali Ibrahim Patami, to take chair for the council to give am steady updates, come beg the members for the council to think of the task as national assignment, say trust dey for their abilities to help boost the digital transformation for Naija. Buhari conscious say im dey happy say the approval for the national policy for virtual engagements for federal public institutions don help to legalize government online meetings. Say meetings like Federal Executive Council (FEC), Council of State and other meetings fit legally shele online. Buhari come tok say the ministry partner with Korea International Cooperation Agency to develop national e-government master plan wey FEC approve for August 2019, come list the benefits from the partnership wey be training of over 1,400 Nigerian public servants for Naija and South Korea for e-governance, the launch of e-government training center wey dem hand over give the federal government for November 2019, and the signing off for phase 2 of e-government project for building foundations towards digital governance for Naija from 2020 enter 2026. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.